Namaskar, this is Sharmila Bhattacharya from Sharmila Texart, South Kolkata, near Kamalgaji More. I am back after few days. I was outstation for some while and that's why I wasn't present for a few days only. Today I am going to display batik sarees. As you know, batik is an Indian art which will never fade away and which we are proud of. So I'll start with batiks on cottons first. Then I'll go to Chanderi, to Georgette and then to silk. Now my number one sari, today's episode is golden color sari, and the price of the sari, first I tell you, is 1450, 1450 only. This is cotton Chanderi. There is a slick jari border as you see at the sari. This is tabla design. Those of you are fond of music can have this sari. This is the palla of the sari. The palla of the sari has got these motifs done in hand batik. This is pure wax batik and this is the sari. Golden yellow in color and black with multicolor border, number one. Now I go to number two. Number two sari is another batik on cotton. This is khadi handloom sari, red in color. This is the sari, beautiful red. This is the palla of the sari. The palla goes like this and these are the motifs. You can see this is fish motif and water. You can see multicolor on red, soothing red color. This is 1650, 1650 in price, number two sari. Number three is a batik on malmal. A batik on malmal. This is 1650 again in price, 1650, very good quality malmal, and it has got also a blouse piece. This is the blouse piece of the sari and the sari is mauve, base color is mauve with navy blue and mauve. The sari will look like this when you drape it. This is the palla of the sari, beautifully done. Good quality malmal, very comfortable. So this is number three sari. These first three saris are on cotton material. Now I go to Chanderi. Chanderi is a very soft material, as you know. This can be washed at home even. Very soft, comfortable, all the year round you can drape it. This is the design, multicolor on red base. Corner to corner the sari is going. The sari is going like this. When you drape it, the red portion will be shown more. Multicolor sari, Chanderi. 2450 is the price. Now next I go to another Chanderi. This is sea green in color. This is sea green color. Sea green and chocolate. Chanderi sari, 2450 again is the price of the sari. Very beautiful. Half of the sari is this chocolate and this is the palla of the sari. And the plate portion of the sari is, I show you the plate. Plate portion is sea green. This is the sea green plate portion of the sari. It will look like this when you drape it. 2450 Chanderi, sea green and chocolate. Now I go to next Chanderi, that is 2200, 2200 only. Very light peach color body, very light peach color with navy blue and orange work. This is the body of the sari and the palla is this. Only 2200 in price, slick jari border with blouse pieces. All these saris are with blouse pieces. Next I go to, material is changing but not the work. The work is batik again. The work is batik wax batik. It is georgette, beautifully done, mustard color. Half of the sari is this. This is half of the sari. Palla portion. Georgette is another material, home washable. Half of the sari is golden in color, golden yellow with this brown border. This is the plate portion of the sari. So you will look like this when you drape it. This is the sari. Georgette. Price of the sari is 2750. Then again next georgette, beautiful strawberry color. This is strawberry. As you know, batik colors are very costly always. Navy blue, rose. This is a floral palla of the sari, navy blue, and the body of the sari is like this. This is the blouse piece in crack. This is the blouse piece of the sari in crack, and the whole sari goes like this. Then again plate portion you get this floral portion. 2750. The next georgette is another yoker yellow color. This is again 2750 in price. See, this is the design. This is the design. This is the palla of the sari, and the sari would look like this when you drape, and the plate portion is this golden yellow color. This is the plate portion. The next georgette is navy blue with little mauve and pink. This is the palla of the sari. Actually half of the sari is this floral navy blue color. This is the half portion, and the plate portion is, this is the plate portion with blouse pieces. All these saris have blouse pieces. 2750 is the price, and this is the blouse piece. This is the blouse piece. Now I go to silk. Silk, golden yellow in color, 4150 in price, 4150. This is the work. All these saris are with blouse pieces. This is how the bale is going like this. ভীষণ ভালো একটা কালার, গোল্ডেন ইয়েলো। আপনারা পুজোর সময় এই রংটা পরতে পারেন, খুব ব্রাইট লাগবে। আর এই শাড়িটা এইভাবেই চলেছে, কাজেই কুচিতে গিয়ে কিছু আলাদা নেই। সো দিস ইজ দ্য প্লেট পোর্শন, গোল্ডেন ইয়েলো ইন কালার, in silk, 3-ply Murshidabad silk, and this is the blouse piece, 4150 in price. This is a silk on sea green color. Sea green color, the sari is sea green in color, 4150 in price. Half of the sari is this. This is the half of the sari, and the plate portion is sea green. Plate portion is sea green. This is the plate portion. So it would look like this when you wear it. This is the sari. 4150. Now I am going to a red and white, always popular combination. 4800 is the price of the sari. Silk quality is even better here. So this is the palla, very nice rose petals and flowers. This is the palla of the sari, and the whole sari is like this. Corner to corner it's going, the design. 4850 with blouse pieces. All the saris are with blouse pieces. So this is the blouse piece. This will come at your sleeve and back. Another 4800 silk, mustard color. This is mustard and black, fish design. This is the sari. আপনারা যারা আমাদের সিল্ক তসর পরেছেন তারা জানেন যে আমাদের সিল্ক তসরের কোয়ালিটিটা একদম অর্ডার দিয়ে করানো থাকে। So these are all ordered ones. The weavers are being ordered what quality of silk they'll be providing us. So this is the sari. This is mustard in color. 4800 is the price, and this is the blouse piece of the sari. Now I find one white body sari. 4800. This is the sari. This is how the sari would look as you drape it. And this is the palla portion of the sari. Palla has Ganesha. This is very difficult to make any figure out of batik, as you know. This is Ganesha at the border of the sari. So these are time taking work. These figures, last 4-5 saris I'll be showing you with figures. Their price is 5,800. The batiks with the figures 5,800. I show you first the figure. This is Yamini Roy, mother and daughter, mother and child, the very famous work of the artist Yamini Roy. This is golden yellow in color. These are the borders of the sari. You would look like this when you drape it, and this is your palla. 5,800 is the price. Everyone is having a blouse piece. This is the blouse piece. Now next one. Next one is a Madhubani work. Madhubani has been done in batik. See, Madhubani is another Indian art we are proud of, which has survived through generations. This is black in color, the sari. 5,800 is the price because these figures are very difficult to make, and special artists, you know, very trained artists can only make this. So this is the slick border, and this is the palla of the sari. 5,800 is the price. Now this is another Madhubani work. This is another Madhubani work with batik, very rarely seen. Black is the border of the sari, body color of the sari, and this is the palla, and the border is broad like this with golden color, red and orange, everything. So this is your palla of the sari. With blouse piece also you will get. 5,800 is the price. This is the blouse piece. And the last sari of today's episode is another piece of art. This is the sari, and the palla is this. Palla has got a figure, you know. This is camera and reel. This is the theme of this sari. So you can see the reel of the film at the borders. The sari goes like this, very nice orange, whole body is full of crack. This is the border, and I'll show you the blouse piece, which is very interesting. The blouse piece is this. If you have got any query, you can ask us. Our telephone numbers will go on the screen. Sari numbers with their prices will be mentioned over there. So even then, if you have got any query, you can ask, you can telephone us or WhatsApp. And this is 105 Nilachal Complex near Kamalgaji More, the address of our showroom. You are always welcome. Thank you for watching us.